Hello students, good morning. Students, in the last class I have completed question number 3rd of exercise number 3 of chapter number 4. Okay, and 4th question I have started. In 4th question I have finished A and B part. There are the 8 parts A to H. A and B has been finished. Now C part. So students, today is 9th July 2020, and your chapter 4 is going on, and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples. Okay, and this is your page number 1. Students, I also want to take some examples here. Okay, so first I want to take some example, then after that I will continue question number 4. Okay students, till now you have taken the LCM by division method of two numbers. Now I want to take one example related from the 3 numbers. It means find the LCM of 3 numbers. So look here, how can we find out it? Example: find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Okay students, here you can see it. There are the 3 numbers 10, 15 and 20 has been given, and it is also find out the division method. You can also write find the LCM now on division method, on the by division. By is the correct word, so you will write by division method. Okay students, so look here, solution. I have told to you, when you want to find out the LCM by the help of the division method, then you can find it on the basis of this. So 10, 15 and 20, there are the 3 numbers has been given, and as you know students, firstly we will take the smallest prime number. Okay, here, so here I have seen the smallest prime number is applicable here 2, because 2 is that number. With the help of the 2, these number has been divisible. The 2 number has been divisible. 2 5s are 10, 15 not be divisible, so 15 you will note it down as it is. 2 1 ja 2 2 0, then 2 10 ja 20. Then after that 2 again you will take 5, 15 and 5. Then after that you will take the 3 5, 3 5s are 15, then 5. And student, as you know, 5 will be divisible only by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Students, remember, when you want to take the LCM, ठीक है, जब भी आप LCM आप लीजिए, आप ये कोशिश करिए पहले हम स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवीजन करके देखेंगे, देन आफ्टर दैट हम उसको बड़े नंबर पे लेंगे. ओके, यू कैन नॉट यूज पहले आपने ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर यूज कर लिया, देन आफ्टर दैट स्मॉलेस्ट यूज कर लिया, सो इट इज नॉट गुड. सो फर्स्टली विल टेक द स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, देन आफ्टर दैट more than that smallest number. Okay, more than that smallest prime number. Clear students? So therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So you will multiply here. 2 2s are 4 into 3 into 5, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 5 and 12 5s are 60. So 60 is your answer. So you can write the answer LCM is equal to 60. So I have taken here only for the example. Okay, so let's continue our exercise. Our exercise number is 5, exercise 5. Okay, and question number 4 was going on. Again I will write the question: find the LCM by the division method. Okay students, the A and B part of this question number 4 has been solved. Now C part the numbers has been given 24 and 36. Okay, So look the solution here. Solution 24 and 36. How can you solve it? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Then after that 2 6 ja 12, 2 9 ja, then 2 3 ja 6, and 9 will not be divisible, so you will note it down as it is. Then 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3. Okay, रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट लास्ट में 1 आना चाहिए, 1 पर आप ला करके इसे स्टॉप कर देंगे. सो देयरफॉर LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So I will multiply it. So look here, how can we multiply it jointly? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 3s are 72. So this is your answer. Clear students? It means LCM is, in this question LCM is 72. Clear students? So students, this is your page number 2 of today's class. Now students, D part of question number 4 I will also provide to you in your homework, and numbers has been given 24 and 32. Same questions as I have given here. You will find out the LCM by the division method. Okay students. Now E part. In E part there are the three numbers has been given, 10, 15 and 18, and you will also find out the LCM on the basis of the division method. So look here, how can we find out the LCM? 10, 15 and 18. First I have seen here, it will be easily divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, and 15 you have noted down as it is, 2 9s are 18. Oh sorry, it will not be divisible by 2 because 5, 15 and 9 will not, any number has not been divisible by 2. So here we will put 3 because 3 will be easily divisible. 5 नहीं divide होगा, so 5 को 5 लिखेंगे, and 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Again 3, 5, 5, 1. Then 5 will be only divisible by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and 1 ka 1. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 3 ja 6, 6 into 3 into 5, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 5, 18 5s are 90. So your answer, you will write the answer LCM is equal to 90. Clear students? Any doubt? Next F part I will also provide to you in your homework. 12, 15 and 40 has been given. It will be also in your homework. Now G part. In G part numbers has been given 21, 63 and 84. Okay, so look it, I will solve it here. Look the solution. 21, 63 and 84. So students, here I have seen 21 is not divisible by 2, 60 is not divisible by 2, but 84 is divisible by 2 in a easy way. So first you will put the 2, 63, 21 you will note it down as it is. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are, then again 2, 21, 63 and 2 2s are 2 1s are. Then I have seen that it will be easily divisible by 3, 3 7s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 7s are. Then again 3, 7, 7, 7, then 7 1s are 1 1. Okay, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. So you can multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 7s are. ओके, सो जिसकी टेबल आपको ना पता हो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया करिए. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 into 7, 7 6s are 42, 7 3s are 21, 21 and 4 25. So your LCM is 252. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 252. Clear students? Any doubt? Now H part from next page. Look here, this is your page number third of today's class. So H part number has been given 63, 27 and 54. Look here, how can we solve it? Solution: 63, 27 and 54. 2, 63 as it is, 27, then 2 2s are 2 7s are, then it will be divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are, 3 9s are, 3 9s are, then again 3 3 7s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are, okay, then 3 7 will not divisible, so 7 को आप as it is note कर लेंगे, 3 1s are, 3 1s are, then after that 7 will be divisible only by 7, 7 1s are 7, then 1 1. Therefore LCM is equal to 3 in first number has been given 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now you can multiply it. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 54 into 7. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 35 and 2 37. So LCM is 378. So you will write the answer LCM is equal to 378. So students, question number 4 is also finished. Okay. So now students, question number 5. Look here. Question number 5 has been given. Fill in the blanks in table using the relation between HCF and LCM. Okay students, there is the table has been given here. Table has been given as like this. There are 5 columns in your table. Okay, first has been given here first number, second number, HCF of the numbers, LCM of the numbers. A part. In A part number has been given 12, 4 and 48. It is blank. In B part 15, 20, 5, then blank. Then C part blank, then 14, 7 and 42. And in D part 9, 15, then blank and 45. So look students, how can we solve it in the next page? Okay, clear students? So students, this is your page number 4 of today's class. Look the solution of question number 5, A part. So students, remember the formula you will applicable here. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Product of their HCF and LCM. So students, as you know about that in the previous page, in A part there is the missing number is second number. Okay, second number is missing here. So here let us suppose second number is equal to x. So here students, as you know, product of two numbers, one number has been given 12. So you will put it 12 into x is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. HCF has been given there 4 and LCM has been given 48. Okay. So your equation is 12 into x is equal to 4 into 48. Here 12 multiplied by x when it has been transferred to right hand side, so it will be converted the division. So 4x is equal to 4 into 48 divided by 12. Okay, 12 4s are 48, so x is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. What is x? We have supposed it the second number, so therefore second number is equal to 16. Clear, students? Now B part. In B part, students, LCM number is missing here. It has been given in the filling the blanks, and while the first and second number has been given, so same formula you will be applicable here. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so in the B part, LCM is not given, so let us LCM is equal to x. Okay, and the numbers has been given 15 and 20, so you will apply the formula 15 into 20 is equal to HCF has been given 5 into x. You can also write it also as like this, 5 into x is equal to 15 into 20. Here 5 has been multiplied with x, so when it has been transferred to our right hand side, so it has been converted in the division. So x is equal to 15 into 20 upon 5. 5 3s are 15, so x is equal to 3 into 20, so x is equal to 60. We have supposed x is the LCM number, so your answer is, you will write the answer LCM of the numbers is equal to 60. Okay, clear, students? And here you can also write the answer in the first part of the question. Okay, students? Now students, page number 5. This is your page number 5 of today's class, C part of question number 5th. Same formula you will be applicable in C part. First number has not been given, so your formula will be applicable. Product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay, so students, here first number has not been given in the C part. Let us first number is equal to x, so now we will put the value x into 14 has been given as like a second number, and HCF has been given 7 into 42 is LCM. Okay, so now x is equal to 7 into 42 divided by 14. So 14 3s are 42. Okay, so x is equal to 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Here we have supposed x is the first number, so our answer first number is equal to 21. Clear, students? Now D part of the question number 5. It is the last part of question number 5. In this part, HCF has not been given, so we will use the same formula here also. So product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. So here HCF has not been given, so we will suppose that let us HCF is equal to x. So first number has been given 9 into 15 is equal to x into 45. This is the first number, this is the second number, and x we have supposed the HCF and 45 is the LCM. So you can also write it on x into 45 is equal to 9 into 15. Here 45 has been multiplied with x, so when it has been transferred to our right hand side, so it has been converted as like a division. So x is equal to 9 into 15 divided by 45. Okay, 15 1 ja 15, 15 3 ja 45, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So x is equal to 3. So what is the x? HCF. So therefore HCF is equal to 3. So you will write the answer is equal to HCF of the numbers is equal to 3. Okay students, so students today's class में इतना ही, and question number 6 and 7 has been also given in exercise number 5, so I will continue it in the next class. If you have any doubt, then students you can also ask the query.